Tay and I struggle to communicate. Here's the thing. I get really excited by new ideas. Like, most of the energy and excitement of actually doing a thing is in the ideation phase for me. And for me, I can get energy from something just by talking about it and just bouncing ideas around without any intention of actually doing the thing. Tay is totally different. She gets her joy from the completion and execution of a task, but she can also get super overwhelmed if she feels like there are too many tasks on the to-do list. We realized we were running into this issue where I would share ideas and then Taylor would get super overwhelmed. Then we would both get frustrated because neither of us felt like the other was communicating well. Then one day Tay was watching TikToks and she came across this concept of the idea shelf. And I don't know who the creator is, otherwise I would credit them, but essentially the idea shelf is a way of designating ideas as just an idea and not as a task that needs to be completed. Now, when I start a conversation about a new idea, I'll say, this is for the idea shelf. And then we can freely talk about that idea without Tay having to feel any pressure of having to actually execute on the concept. Then, if we decide that the idea is good enough to implement, we can go ahead and take the idea off of the idea shelf and begin to implement it.